Want to learn how to make infographics in less than 5 minutes? Be sure to keep watching. Infographics are effective for visually communicating and carving information into your viewer's memory. It's a great way to present heavier information that would otherwise be too hard to retain if read through plain text. In fact, infographics are 30 times more likely to be read through than a plain article. Creating visually appealing infographics with appropriate colors and complementing illustrations is essential to relaying vital brand information to your audience. And in this video, we're going to show you how to do just that. Welcome back to the channel. This is Jelly from Life Marketing, and we are a digital marketing agency dedicated to helping small businesses grow. Before we get started, this is your reminder to subscribe to our channel and to hit that notification bell icon to get notified as we upload more of our essential business growing videos. Infographics are used for one or more of the following reasons: creating awareness, drawing or comparing data, and summarizing or simplifying complicated subjects. For whichever reason you're making your infographic, these are the essential things to keep in mind when making them. Number 1, have a clear headline. This lets your audience know what information you're sharing in your infographic. It's important that your headline is readable and attention-grabbing. Number 2, stay in brand. Use your brand colors and use illustrations that complement your visual branding. And if it fits your graphic, be sure to add your logo in there so your audience is fully aware that the information is coming from you. And number 3, don't overload the graphic with unnecessary visual clutter. AKA, make sure the illustrations you're using as visual aid actually help in getting your information across and isn't causing confusion or distracting the eye. Instead, they should catch your viewers' eyes and assist in visually guiding them through the infographic. So now that you have an idea of what makes an effective infographic, we're now going to move on to where you can make them. There are now tons of online design platforms that will let you create professional-looking infographics. But for this video, we're going to be using one of the most powerful and convenient online graphic design sites available, Canva. When creating your infographic, you'll have to decide on what dimensions you want to set your canvas to. Infographics can be longer portrait images that require the user to scroll down to complete reading through the whole graphic. You're not limited to making infographics in this dimension, and you can alternatively make them square or in the dimensions of stories and reels. This way you're sure that the whole graphic is visible to your viewer without them needing to scroll down. It helps to already have an idea of how much or how little text will be in your infographic. At the start of this video, we've promised to show you how to make an infographic in 5 minutes or less. Before we do that, here's a super quick message from Morgan about our new coaching program.
Hello! We just helped a small business make over $1.5 million through Facebook advertising. After managing millions of dollars of ad spend for thousands of small businesses and creating thousands of social posts to help businesses connect with their customers, we know how to get results. And we want to help small businesses get results too. So we've decided to give away our knowledge, learning experiences, resources, tools, and feedback to help you achieve results for your digital marketing efforts. If you want to learn the blueprint for success, the best practices from some of the fastest growing companies in the world, get access to all the tools you'll need, and get live expert guidance from yours truly, stop what you're doing and sign up for our coaching program today.
And without further ado, here's the 3 very simple steps you need to follow to complete your infographic. For this video, I'm making an infographic to be featured in Reels for our mock brand Coffee Cat. Once you've loaded your canvas in your browser, the first step would be to add your logo. As mentioned earlier in this video, you'll want to remind your audience that the useful piece of information they're getting is from you. And with your logo being the symbol they associate your business with the most, it's important that it's present somewhere in your infographic. You can place it anywhere you see that would fit your graphic best. Just make sure it isn't too distracting from the main subject of your image. Step number 2 is adding your text. Add in your headline and your infographic text, making sure that your fonts and font colors follow your branding guidelines. You can roughly position them now, leaving space to where you can add your illustrations. Of course, you can always adjust this after your illustrations have been added in. Finally, step 3, add illustrations to your infographic. In the Elements tab search bar, type in the keywords for illustrations that would accompany your information best. Be sure that your chosen illustrations fit your branding. If possible, try to stick to illustrations that have interchangeable colors like this one, where you can customize the colors to follow your exact branding colors. It's also important that you stick to matching illustration styles. This makes your graphic look leaps and bounds more professional than if you were mixing and matching different illustrations. Like in this case, you can see how this looks way more professional and visually appealing than this. And just like that, you now have a complete infographic tailored to your brand. And that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, please let us know down in the comments below. Be sure to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to grow your business. This is Jelly from Life Marketing, and I'll see you in the next one.